this is Eva from Baison Laser. Today I'm gonna introduce our fiber laser cutting machine HD series. HD series can be matched with 1.5 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt and can cut various metal materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, etc. And the cutting thickness ranges from 1 mm to 20 mm. Look at this appearance, the fully enclosed enclosure structure, which is both environmentally friendly and safe. In addition, it is also equipped with an operation monitoring display screen, which can check the processing status in real time. The operation system we adopt is Subcut, which has a variety of processes, such as automatic edge finding, fly cutting, intelligent perforation, and other functions, which can meet more complex and diverse processing needs. See, this is our self-produced machine frame. It is plate welded, has a stronger bearing capacity. Besides, we use a special annealing process to ensure long-term stable operation of the equipment and a longer service life. I'll take you to the next. This is our aviation aluminum beam with strong rigidity and fast dynamic response. The maximum acceleration can reach 1.5 G. Here comes the highlight. This is our patented climbing exchange platform, which can complete the exchange within 10 to 15 seconds, and the double platforms can be kept at the same level before and after the exchange, ensuring that the Z-axis travel is controlled within 100 millimeters, which means higher cutting precision. What else do you want to know? Contact us for more details.